నమస్కారం. నవతరానికి నంది నవ్య కార్యక్రమానికి స్వాగతం. ఇక ఈ రోజు మనం లెదర్ బ్యాగులు ఎలా పాడవకుండా ఉండాలో తెలుసుకుందాం. స్టైల్ గా సౌకర్యంగా ఉండే లెదర్ బ్యాగులు కొంచెం తేమ తగిలినా తొందరగా పాడవుతాయి. వర్షాకాలంలో తేమ ఎక్కువ కాబట్టి ఇవి దెబ్బతినే అవకాశం ఎక్కువ. అయితే ఈ కాలంలో లెదర్ బ్యాగులను శుభ్రం చేయడంతో పాటు వాటి మన్నిక పెంచేందుకు ఏం చేయాలో తెలుసుకునే ముందు కొత్తదనం ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Swagatam Yoga. Today we'll do face yoga for the plumpiness. We'll tell you the reason and what all the exercises we can do to control the plumpiness. Plumpiness भी अच्छा होता है, चेहरा जितना चबी हो उतना हम इनोसेंट दिखते हैं, पर इसको कंट्रोल भी करना चाहिए. आपके चेहरा स्लिम फेस कैसे हो सकता है वो हम कुछ सिंपल योगा आसन से आज करेंगे. So first exercise we'll do, we called it balloon pose. Make a balloon and hold. There are 57 muscles. Muscles will get contracted. Your blood circulation will improve. This is very important asana for the plumpiness. We can easily control plumpiness by this simple asana. We'll do it again. Make a balloon and hold. Relax. You will get a clear, flawless skin by doing this simple balloon pose. We don't need to go for any cosmetic, any surgery. Face yoga is a natural way to look beautiful and we can easily control 10-year age by face yoga. Now we'll tell you other asana for the plumpiness. It's very easy and very simple. Make a balloon. You're putting pressure to your right direction, all the air. So let's do it. You will feel the stretch on your face and this will help you to reduce the fat from your face. So let's do it. Relax. Relax, relax. This is very important. Relax your facial muscle. It will help you to release all stress from your face. Face yoga give youthful vitality to your face that make you look younger and beautiful. सारे muscles tone हो जाएंगे. हमारा blood circulation भी increase होता है, improve होता है और आपके चेहरे पे जो भी bad toxins होते हैं वो clear हो जाते हैं. So we'll do it again. First make a balloon. Relax. So let's do simple kriya for the cleansing of your body as well as your face. So let's do, look up, look down, look up, look down, look to your right side and left side. Now just rotate your neck. Okay, now slowly go down. Relax. So we'll tell you one more asana to control fat. To control fat on your face, we'll do very simple asana. It's we called squeeze pose. So just squeeze your face. Relax yourself. We'll do it again. Squeeze. Relax. Always try to do it for 3 times. Any asana, any kriya. Do it for 3 times. Hold here for 10 seconds and relax yourself. Relax your face, relax your mind, relax your body. whenever you find time. Face yoga we can do anywhere, anytime. So please do this asana and make sure you're following our water rules. Every half an hour take half glass of water. और एक चीज़ और बताती हूँ, एज को कंट्रोल करने के लिए विच इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, आप लोग जिंजर वाटर एंड उसमें लेमन ले सकते हैं एवरी मॉर्निंग. इट विल हेल्प यू. जिंजर इज़ एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी और लेमन इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. इट विल हेल्प यू टू कंट्रोल योर एज एंड कंट्रोल योर वेट ऑल्सो. सो इन्हीं सब चीज़ों को फॉलो कीजिए. हम लोग आपसे फिर मिलेंगे नई सीरीज़ के साथ में. थैंक यू.
చూసారుగా కొత్తదనం. ఇక నెలకోసారి లెదర్ బ్యాగ్లను కండిషనర్తో శుభ్రం చేయాలి. ఇలా చేస్తే అవి తొందరగా పొడిబారి పగుళ్ళు